This lecture is about the fatty acid structure. But how does fatty acid look like? The structure of fatty acid consists of two parts. It may be divided into two parts. It has the carboxyl group, right, and it has the long chain of hydrocarbons, right. As you can see in this picture, that it has the carboxyl, the fatty acids are composed of carboxyl group, right. The carboxyl group is attached carbon with oxygen and OH group. So this group is the carboxyl group, and the other group is the same. Other group is the हाइड्रोकार्बन चेंज, जिसमें आपके पास क्या होते हैं, हाइड्रोकार्बन चेंज होते हैं. हाइड्रोकार्बन चेंज मीन्स द कार्बन अटैच्ड विद द हाइड्रोजन. ठीक है, ईच कार्बन इज अटैच्ड विद two hydrogen, right. So carbon is attached to the four groups, right. So carbon, so it's the long chain of hydrocarbons, right. So इसको जो general formula है, chemical formula, because of this long chain of hydrocarbons, it has the chemical formula of R. It means that this R represents the functional group and attached with the carboxyl group. So fatty acids are the carboxylic acids with hydrocarbon chains. It means that it has the long hydrocarbon chains, and at one end it has the attached carboxyl acids. Okay, carboxyl. So that's why it is known as acids, right? Fatty acids, because of this carboxylic acid group present. So the chemical formula जो आपके पास है R और carboxyl group attached है, so this R represents this long chain of hydrocarbons, right? So this long chain of hydrocarbons, because of this R, why they represented R, because these carbon numbers varies. ठीक है, different आपके पास different fatty acids होते हैं जिसमें carbon numbers जो है वो vary करते हैं, इसलिए उसको जो है वो R से represent किया हुआ है. ऑलमोस्ट जो मोस्ट कॉमन फ्रीक्वेंटली जो फैटी एसिड्स पाए जाते हैं वो तकरीबन 12 से जो 24, जो कार्बन नंबर्स 12 से 24 तक होते हैं, मोस्ट कॉमनली जो है वो प्रेजेंट होते हैं. इसी तरह से जो फैटी एसिड्स हैं, दे आर आल्सो एम्फीपैथिक इन नेचर, right. Amphipathic means that it has having both the properties. It has the both hydrophilic and hydrophobic properties. So hydrophilic, you know that it's the water hating. ठीक है, sorry, hydrophilic is the water loving. ठीक है, that it likes water, it will be always towards the liquid surfaces or water surfaces. And hydrophobic, they hate water, so they will be away from the water surfaces, right. So this hydrophobic, these hydrocarbon chains forms the hydrophobic region, and the carboxyl group forms the hydrophilic region. So these long chain of hydrocarbons and carboxyl group, carboxylic acid group forms the fatty acid. So this carboxylic acid group is the hydrophilic region. It will be always towards the liquid surfaces, and this is the hydrocarbon chain that they will be away from the liquid surfaces. They are hydrophobic in nature, that they hate water, right. So this R group, this is a functional group, that it will be different. The general formula for all the fatty acids will be this one. लेकिन ये R group जो है वो different fatty acids के लिए different होगा, because they are different fatty acids and the carbon numbers, these hydrocarbon chains, so this number will vary. It depends. आपके पास ये सारे क्या हैं, these are the different fatty acids, right. किसी में carbon 1 है, 3 है, 4 है, 5 है, 12 है, 18, 20, 22 and 24. So these are the carbon numbers. So it means that the hydrocarbon chain, that's why it is represented by R. R से इसलिए represent किया हुआ है क्योंकि इसके जो आपके पास जो carbon numbers हैं वो क्या होंगे, different होंगे, attached with the, and at the one end the carboxyl group will be attached, right. Okay. So the fatty acid structure, that it has the hydrophilic region and the hydrophobic region. So this long chain of hydrocarbon chain is the hydrophobic region, and this the head or the carboxyl group forms the hydrophilic region. And this, because of this carboxyl group, it is named as acid, right. This acidic group is present, that's why it is known as fatty acid.